This is Kellen sitting in his Bumby, and he's just started picking up these toys. I put these toys on his tray every night while he helps Mommy cook dinner, and he's never touched them before, but today he's picking them up. Hi. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, got this one. You pick up this one? Can you pick up this one? I didn't put his hand on the last one, but I'm going to try this one, see if he'll pick it up. Yeah. Little toesies. Oh, good boy, Kelly. Good boy. What you got? What you got? Oh. Still not quite so much control over those little hands, but getting better. Oh, he's picking it up. Oh, yay, buddy. What are you going to do with it now? In the mouth. In the mouth. I think he's starting to look so much like Daddy. Yeah. Yes, you are, you little traitor. You little traitor. Oh, that's Daddy now. Want to talk to Daddy? Hello? Hey, we're just recording a video. Uh-oh, he wants to talk to Daddy, so I'm going to have to stop recording. But look at him go. Oh. All right, that's our amazing video for today.